The bone structure of dogs is a fascinating subject that reveals much about their creation, adaptability, and the remarkable versatility that allows them to play a myriad of roles in human society. At first glance, a dog's skeleton might seem similar to that of other mammals, yet each bone, joint, and ligament is finely tuned to support the unique characteristics and functions that distinguish dogs from their wild ancestors and their modern relatives. A dog's skeleton is made up of approximately 319 bones, though the exact number can vary depending on the length of the tail and any breed-specific variations. The skeleton serves as the fundamental framework of the body, providing shape, support, and protection to vital organs, while also enabling movement through its intricate network of joints and muscles. At the very top, the skull is a showcase of diversity among breeds. The shape and size of a dog's skull can differ dramatically, from the elongated, narrow skulls of sighthounds, designed for speed and visual acuity, to the broad, powerful jaws of mastiffs, engineered for strength. The skull not only houses the brain, but also supports the sensory organs, the eyes, ears, and nose, each crucial for a dog's survival and interaction with its environment. The jawbones or mandibles are robust, allowing for a powerful bite, and are attached to muscles that facilitate chewing, biting, and carrying objects. Moving down from the skull, the spine forms the central axis of the skeleton, running from the base of the skull to the tip of the tail. The canine spinal column is composed of several regions: the cervical vertebrae in the neck, the thoracic vertebrae in the chest, the lumbar vertebrae in the lower back, the sacral vertebrae in the pelvis, and the caudal vertebrae that make up the tail. Each section of the spine serves a distinct purpose. The neck vertebrae provide flexibility and support for head movement, while the thoracic and lumbar vertebrae support the body's weight and allow for the powerful, fluid motion of running and jumping. The tail vertebrae assist in balance and communication, acting as a counterweight during movement and expressing emotion through wagging or other gestures. The rib cage, formed by the thoracic vertebrae and ribs, encases and protects the heart and lungs. Dogs generally have 13 pairs of ribs, which are flexible and allow for the expansion and contraction of the chest during breathing. The sternum, or breastbone, anchors the ribs at the front, providing further protection and stability. The canine limb bones are another marvel of adaptation. The forelimbs, or front legs, are attached to the body by a highly mobile shoulder joint, which allows for a wide range of motion. The upper arm bone, known as the humerus, connects to the radius and ulna of the lower foreleg at the elbow. This joint is structured to facilitate both support and movement, enabling dogs to dig, run, and maneuver with agility. The wrists, known as carpi, and the digits, or toes, culminate in paws that provide grip and cushioning on a variety of surfaces. The hind limbs, or back legs, are the powerhouse of canine locomotion. The femur, or thigh bone, is the largest bone in the dog's body and connects to the pelvis at the hip joint, a ball and socket joint that provides both stability and flexibility. The knee, or stifle, is a complex joint composed of the femur, tibia, fibula, and the patella, or kneecap. This arrangement allows for the powerful extension and flexion needed for running, jumping, and climbing. The lower leg bones connect to the hock, or ankle, and then to the toes, which bear much of the dog's weight during movement. The pelvis itself is a sturdy, broad structure that supports the hind limbs and protects the organs of the lower abdomen. It is composed of 3 bones, the ilium, ischium, and pubis, fused together to form a basin-like shape. This configuration provides an anchor point for some of the strongest muscles in the body, which drive the motion of the back legs. Breed-specific variations in bone structure are another fascinating aspect of canine anatomy. For instance, greyhounds have long, slender limbs and a flexible spine, perfectly adapted for sprinting at high speeds. Bulldogs, on the other hand, have shorter, more robust bones and a broader chest, giving them a stocky and muscular appearance. Dachshunds have elongated spines and short legs, a trait that originally helped them burrow into tunnels after prey. Each breed's bone structure reflects its historical purpose: hunting, herding, guarding, or companionship. and its adaptation to specific environments and tasks. Puppies, when they are born, have bones that are largely composed of cartilage. As they grow, this cartilage gradually ossifies or hardens into mature bone through the process of endochondral ossification. This process allows the bones to grow in length and strength, supporting the rapid development that occurs in the first year of life. During this time, the growth plates located at the ends of the long bones are particularly vulnerable, which is why it's important to avoid excessive strenuous exercise in young growing dogs. Bones are living tissues, constantly being remodeled throughout a dog's life. Specialized cells called osteoblasts build new bone, while osteoclasts break down old bone. This dynamic process helps to repair injuries, adapt to stress, and maintain the calcium balance in the body. Proper nutrition, including adequate calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D, is essential for healthy bone development and maintenance. The joints between bones are critical for movement and flexibility. Most joints in the dog's body are synovial joints, which means they are surrounded by a fluid-filled capsule that lubricates and cushions the joint surfaces. Ligaments and tendons connect bones to each other and to muscles, stabilizing the joints and transmitting the forces generated by muscle contractions. Bone health is vital for overall well-being. Injuries such as fractures, dislocations, or ligament tears can significantly impact a dog's mobility and quality of life. Conditions like hip dysplasia, arthritis, or osteosarcoma, a type of bone cancer, are serious concerns that require prompt veterinary attention. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and routine checkups can help maintain strong bones and prevent many common issues. In summary, the bone structure of dogs is a complex, elegant system that combines strength, flexibility, and adaptability. It shapes not only their physical form, but also their movement, abilities, and even personality. Whether sprinting across a field, leaping to catch a frisbee, or curling up for a nap, every action is powered by this remarkable framework, a testament to the intricate design and endless variety found in our canine companions. Understanding the bone structure of dogs allows us to appreciate their resilience and vitality, and underscores the importance of caring for their skeletal health throughout their lives. For captivating insights into the animal kingdom, expert advice on pet care, and fascinating stories from the wild, don't miss out. Subscribe to the Paws, Claws, and Wilderness channel. Stay updated with the latest tips, in-depth explorations of animal behavior, and engaging features on wildlife conservation. Whether you're an animal lover, pet owner, or simply curious about nature, joining our community ensures you're always informed and inspired by the wonders of the natural world.